In this video, we will see how to create a repository on GitHub. After creating a GitHub account, then click on Create Repository. Enter your repository name, add a short description, and set the visibility to public. For now, ignore the other options, I will explain them in other videos, and click on Create Repository. Once the repository is created, click on Create New File. Name the file index.html, because this is your main page. Now paste your HTML code into the editor and click on Commit Changes. After that, we can see our index page is now showing here. Next, go to Settings, then Open Pages. Under Branch, select Main instead of None. After that, a box will appear. In that box, select Root, and save it. Wait for a few seconds. Now you can see a tick mark in the notification. This means our page has been updated. Now go to Settings again and click on Pages. And you'll see a notification saying your site is live. You can now open or share this link with anyone. The next part is available in my playlist, where I explain how to upload your existing file.